Torrance Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're thinking about divorce in Torrance, knowing the exact steps can make the process much less stressful. Let's walk through what needs to happen from start to finish so your divorce moves forward without delays. Step 1 is filing your petition for dissolution of marriage with the Torrance branch of the Los Angeles Superior Court. Step 2 is serving your spouse. This is required, and the 6-month waiting period doesn't begin until service is complete. Step 3 is exchanging mandatory financial disclosures, where both spouses list income, expenses, assets, and debts. Step 4 is preparing and signing a marital settlement agreement that outlines property, debts, custody, and support if you have children. Step 5 is submitting your full judgment package to the court through e-filing. If everything is correct, the judge can approve your divorce in weeks, even though the official final date won't occur until the 6-month period runs out. For example, we worked with a Torrance couple who thought simply filing would start the countdown to divorce. In reality, their case wasn't moving forward because service and disclosures hadn't been completed. Once we stepped in, we followed the step-by-step process, and their divorce was approved quickly and without further issues. At Divorce 661, we use the same step-by-step approach for every case. We prepare, file, serve, and finalize everything for you, so your divorce moves smoothly through Torrance Court without paperwork rejections or costly delays. If you're filing for divorce in Torrance and want it done right the first time, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll walk you through each step and make sure your divorce is handled quickly and correctly.